gas. You can see, you can pause the video to read this if you want to. Gas operation. Set thermostat control to the maximum cold setting. So that would be all the way up here. And set igniter position switch to on. See, it's a toggle switch. It's on. And then push and turn electric off gas control counterclockwise so that the knob indicator points to gas. Okay, that would be this here. And it's pointed to gas, see? It's pointed to gas. See, it's cold in here. There's ice in here. See? It's cold on electricity, even when it's hot outside. Okay, now, push the control knob in and hold it until the flame indicator illuminates. Continuous glow. Continue to hold approximately 5 seconds, then release. The flame indicator will remain on. If hot, repeat the step. If not, repeat the step. Okay, here's the flame indicator. So, when I push this, okay, with my foot, I'm going to hold this button in. See it? Anyway, this light will come on momentarily. That's how this thing works. I've got it on electricity and it works fine, but that's how you do it. You hold this in and you flip this on. Or you have this on and you hold this in until this flame indicator stays lit. Okay, now here is the information that you need. Let me wait until this thing decides to focus. Hold on. Okay. I'll put it in away. Norcold R 2235 H7. Here's the model number. I think that's an 8. 74EG, and that looks like a 3. Hold on just a minute. This crazy thing won't focus. I've got to make this stupid thing focus. Okay, there's information. This information. Let's see, here we go. Okay, this is the kind of refrigerator. I don't know if anybody has seen this refrigerator before. Here it is. A good look at it. This is what it looks like. Okay, here we go. The Norcold refrigerator. I'll talk to y'all later.